Want to know how people are making money with crypto derivatives? It's a powerful tool, but it's important to understand the risks first. This video is for beginners and I'm going to keep this super simple. So I'll show you how derivative trading works on the platform ByBit, and plus all the key features on how to do it. So before we get started, what exactly are crypto derivatives? So think of it this way, when you buy crypto, you physically own the coin. With derivatives, you don't. Instead, you're just making a prediction or a speculation whether the price of something like Bitcoin is going to go up or down. So basically, you're putting a bet on a price movement without actually having to own the asset yourself. So to get to the derivatives page on ByBit, first head up to the top, go to trade, and then go all the way down to futures, click on that, and there you are. So the biggest feature of derivatives is leverage. So imagine you got $100 to trade and you think Bitcoin's going to increase in value. So if I go here, I can use the 10x leverage. You're essentially controlling $1,000 worth of Bitcoin with your $100, which is what's called a long position. So you think it's going to go up in value. So the upside to this is that if the market moves 10% in your favor, that gain is magnified by 10 times. So your investment, you see here, look, 100% return on investment there. But the downside to that is though that it works both ways, right? This leverage. So if the market moves against your prediction, your loss is also magnified by the same amount. So you could lose all your money very, very quickly. So if you think Bitcoin's going to decrease in value, you can do what's called a short position instead. So it works the same way, but it profits when the price drops instead. So because of the high volatility of derivatives, it's definitely not for everyone. So you need to be very certain about what your market prediction is going to be. So for absolute beginners, using high leverage without a good understanding of the market is extremely risky. So ByBit offers a few different types of derivatives, including perpetuals, futures, and options, along with regular spot trading if that's more your thing. They also have other features like earn products and an NFT marketplace. They've even got rewards if you do certain tasks. So the good news for beginners is that ByBit also functions like a regular crypto exchange. So this is what's called spot trading. So if you want to actually just buy and sell coins, a great lower risk place to start out. It's great for doing that as well. But the interface is primarily built for active traders. But you can easily switch between spot and derivatives. You can view charts and different types of orders. The derivatives section also has more advanced controls, which is why it's better suited for experienced traders who know how to use those type of features. So if you're just starting out, this is a really good place to start off with spot trading first. And then once you get more experience, you can transition into derivatives here. So one final very important note, ByBit does not support AUD trading accounts directly, and it isn't registered with AUSTRAC in Australia. So if you're trading in Australia or any other market, just make sure you check on the local regulations for that market. So that's our guide on ByBit. If you're a fan of derivatives, leave a comment below. And if you want us to check out some other guides of some different exchanges, let us know as well.